Hello friend, how are you doing today? So, do you enjoy going wine tasting? Do you like to go to the winery, get your swirl on and get your sip on and find wines that you enjoy? Would you like to know if you are tasting your wine right? Wait, there's like a proper way to taste wine? Oh yeah, girlfriend, there is a proper way to taste wine. So in today's video, I am going to teach you what I like to call the 4 S's of wine tasting so you can have an easy way to do the proper wine tasting technique. For those who don't know me, I am Tiara, aka T, your wine diva, helping you live a fun-filled, wonderful life by taking the whining out of enjoying your wine. I rep for an amazing Napa Valley winery, and I love to share my little sip tips that I've learned from the trade with you. I do videos every single week, so please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notifications when my next video comes up. So today we're gonna go over wine tasting. The first S in the 4 S's of wine tasting is see. You want to take a good look at your wine. You want to hold it up to the light, see the color of it, take note of the color, take note if there is any sediment in the bottom of your glass, take note of the legs, see how it kind of like dribbles down the side of your glass. Now, number 2, you want to swirl your wine, or what the experts call volatilizing the esters. So what you're doing is adding some oxygen into your glass to open it up to get that bouquet, that aroma that the wine naturally is going to create. So open it up. It's been in a bottle for a little bit. Open it up, give it a generous swirl. I like to hold it against the table like I'm doing right now so it can kind of have a nice center of gravity. But if you want to get cray-cray and hold it up in the air and swirl it around, then do you, boo-boo, okay? So, see, swirl. Next one up is smell. This one is very important. Think about when you are like sick and you go to try something, you're trying to go to eat and you're like, you can't enjoy it because you can't really taste it and your nose is all stuffed up and it's like, and it's awful. Well, part of why you can't taste your food is because your nose is stuffed up, your sinuses are blocked, your taste buds and your sinuses are actually connected. So you want to see your wine, you want to swirl your wine, get that bouquet going, and then you want to smell your wine. And not like I think I smell something, it smells like wine. I want you to like put your nose all up in the glass, like in a deep, deep whiff. I get like raspberries and what is that? Like pomegranate. There you go. So you can notice like different fruity notes, smell that, and that is going to inform your palate. So what do you think step 4 is? Let me know in the comments. I'll wait. Okay, so for step 4, you've seen your wine, you've swirled your wine, you've taken a big whiff. Now you get to do the best part. You get to sip your wine. Yum. Now sometimes you might see people do this like thing, and what they're doing is they're pulling oxygen over the wine so they can open it up again while it's in their mouth, getting some new flavors. Some people like to like and swish it through their teeth and like chew it, and like it's like a full mouth experience, the full mouth feel. Now if you want to do all that, that is totally up to you. If you don't, go ahead and just sip and keep it moving, all right? But one of my tips, especially when you're out wine tasting and you're trying multiple wines, is to follow the 3-sip rule. What's a 3-sip rule, you ask? Well, simple. Take 3 sips of your wine. The first one is going to cleanse your palate. The second one is going to prep your palate so that you're ready for the true flavors. And then the third is really gonna be what you're going to enjoy once you buy that bottle of wine and take it home, okay? So like you know exactly what you're dealing with, right? So I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you got some good information and some value out of this video. If you loved it, please like, share, and of course, subscribe to my channel. It's somewhere in one of these boxes. Have a good one.